If you're bringing home a brand new door, I think the hardest part of the installation is to make sure that the lock set and the deadbolt are both positioned properly. Now, they come with paper templates, which I find to not work really that well because they rip or they tear as you're trying to make the hole cuts. But Ryobi has come out with a lock installation kit. Now there's everything in here that you need to make sure that those are going to be positioned perfectly every time. Now I've opened one up so you can see what's all in there. Take a look and see how sturdy this plastic construction is. It will adjust to the thickness of your door to make sure that you get the lock bore hole perfectly. Also, depending upon the lock that you're using, if you need 2 3/4 inch, if it calls for that, you've got the position for that, or you can simply slide it over to 2 3/8. Also along the back here, there's an auto strike locator so that your strike box will be located perfectly on that door jamb, and you have all of the tools necessary. It comes with the 2 hole saws. It also comes with a pilot bit and your paddle bit. All you got to bring to the party is your door and your drill.